In this video, we'll show you how to turn on NFC on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now head to connections. Now in here you will see this NFC and contactless payments. Simply tap here. Now turn on this toggle at the top. Now here you can go to default wallet app and then choose your preferred app that you want to use for contactless payment. Similarly, you can go to other NFC services and see all the apps on your phone that support NFC. You can also add an NFC toggle in the quick settings panel here. So simply tap this edit icon, then go to edit and now look for the NFC icon at the bottom. So simply scroll through, here it is. You can simply add it here, tap done and tap done again. So this way you'll be able to enable and disable NFC right from the quick settings panel. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.